Hey, it's that bird turd, and today we're going to learn about the olfactory bulb. So, this right here that you see right there is the olfactory bulb. So, what does the olfactory bulb do? The olfactory bulb receives input from the olfactory nerve and transmits output to other parts of the brain. It is the first place in the brain where olfactory stimuli are selectively integrated and sent to higher cortical centers. So, electronic interfacing with the olfactory bulb has been used in a variety of ways, including biohybrid olfactory systems. Flexible neural electrodes can be implanted in living mammals to record neural activity in the olfactory epithelium and olfactory bulb. This can help identify and classify different odors. Brain-computer interfaces. A grid electrode array can be implanted on the surface of the olfactory bulb to record neuronal signals. Machine learning techniques can be used to detect chemicals. So, some of the interfaces are e-noses can be used to sense odor information and present it to the user in a variety of ways, such as visually or audibly. They can be used to support sensory substitution for people with anosmia or in wearable computing. So go ahead and read this. It says olfactory variations can influence human emotions, and some studies have shown that olfactory enhancement training can lead to more positive emotions. That's cool. So back up here where it says brain-computer interfaces, a grid electrode array can be implanted on the surface of the olfactory bulb. Now remember that word array because I'm going to take you here, okay? Nasal and throat by that. If you go down here, gold beep array. Alright. Okay, so here's another one that goes along with what I'm saying. It says they engineered those by using okay, and they say that the was integrated into the Now I bring you to this patent. Boom. Okay, see that? Electrode array can be implanted on the surface of the olfactory bulb. Ringing any bells? Okay. Okay, so zoom in on that real quick. Zoom in. Here's the patent for the delivery system. And it said, let's see. Hold on. So go ahead and pause the abstract if you want to read that. Well, here's the rest right here. Now look at the references cited. Okay. Aperometric, we'll get into that in a different video. Minimally invasive, keyword. Okay. Now remember how it said electrode array. So my word find thing isn't working right now for some of my stuff's glitching, but look, electrodes, electrode, okay, electrode, all over this thing, just electrodes everywhere. So I'm not going to say too much. If you want to pause and read, you can, but this means complementary metal oxide semiconductor chip, okay, olfactory bulb. Now, if you go down, you will see 4096 CMOS neurochip, okay. So go ahead and pause and read. I'll try to, let's see if I can zoom in a little bit, okay. So as you see here, it says 4096 microelectrodes, okay, non-invasive keyword. So it goes on to say that this study can inspire the design of advanced biomimetic olfactory-based beeps and neuromorphic approaches, okay, for biomarkers and drug discovery applications. So this book tells you what biomimetics is, okay. This is called biomimetics through nanoelectronics. Alright, so if we go down here, This thesis presents original research on how to seamlessly integrate electronics with living biological systems. You can pause and read the rest of that. Now, if you want to know what this is composed of, all you got to do is type in the patent for this. Boom, here we are. I've had a video taken down about just this patent alone, so go ahead and read it. Systems and methods are disclosed to fabricate an electronic device on a substrate by genetically engineering first, second, third, and fourth beeps, each having a plurality of selective binding sites forming first, second, third, and fourth viral biotemplates, blah, blah, blah. Go ahead and read the rest. Take a look at all this information, okay? But it's active. Adjusted expiration's 2027. So what we learned is they make beep electronics by using V-words, okay, to seamlessly integrate electronics into biological living systems. Now this is where it gets crazy. Remember on this one, okay, I'll try to leave all these in the comments, but remember how it talked about the 4096 microelectrodes? Yeah, look when you Google it. Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm going to try to make more videos, but I hope you guys get what I'm trying to say, because I can't really explain nothing on this app without them booting me out of here, so. But for all y'all that were wondering why they were like, hey, why don't they just swab our mouths instead of our... That's why, right there, that's the target. I'll try to make more videos explaining more. You guys have a good night.